Hello everyone, grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle of the rubber and drop it inside. With the remaining section of the hair along the tail we have, split them into two parts and have each into three parts and have it braided. Then drop the left braid into the twisted band on its own loop and continue doing it and hide the excess tip underneath that. Do the same for the right braid as well. Make a ponytail and have a top strip of it split them into three parts and have it braided, but have a little thin strip of hair on the either side of the ponytail and have it twisted a little bit, making it even more thicker, then have it go in between the braids gap. So this is how you should braid it. Continue doing the braiding until reach the bottom, how it's secure with the rubber band. Grab the sides of the hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band. Grab another section of the hair right below it and tie it over the first rubber band and drop it into the first loop. Then grab another section of the hair right below that and tie with the rubber band. Do it totally 2 times, and after the remaining section of the hair we have, split them into 2 parts and have each into 3 parts and braid it and fold it to the top. Grab the sides of the hair from the top section, tie in the middle of the rubber band. Have a rubber band touch top middle part, curl up and drop the tail into it. Then grab a few strands of hair from the left side, split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thinner manner. Do the same braiding on the right side and combine them over the first rubber band. Then drop the tail into the parent loop, making a heart and lump and make a heart and shape out of the braid. Split your hair vertically into 2 sections and have the front part of it split them into 3 parts and have it braided with strips of hair going between the braids gap borrowed from either side of the braid. Braid as normal as you would do later on and make it curvy. Do the same braiding on the right side as well. Make a bunch and have a rubber band attach the top middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. The remaining section of the tail we have split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner and have the end secure with the rubber band and roll it to the top and make it into the center of the bow tie design and have it secure by dropping a little hairpin. Choose a colorful hair clutcher and have your beautiful hair hold it from behind and have a hair clutcher onto it and have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it and have the tail bend inwards and have it cover the rubber band by splitting it into 2. Then have a hair clutcher on that point. Make a ponytail, have a rubber band touch top middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Then split the tail into 2 and fold it to the top. Have this lump and drop a beautiful rubber band around it. Then have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tail and have a loop created and drop the tail into it. And have the entire loop come under the lump we created and split the tail into 2 and hide it underneath the bun. Have a ponytail and split them into 3 equal parts and have a beautiful hair clutcher that has strings of beads at varying sizes. Then attach the strings onto 2 of the tails we have and leave the remaining tail as such and braid all the 3 tails together in a simple manner and secure the end with the rubber band and pinch out the braid sides to make it into a loopy braid. Split your lovely hair from the bottom into 3 parts and have it braided. So it's a usual braid we do. Keep crossing the braid so that the left tail goes to the right and comes back to the left. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Then fold the braid and make it to the top and have it in place by dropping a very beautiful hair clutcher out of your collection at the center. Make a ponytail and split them into 2 parts, the top and the bottom section, and have a rubber band attach top part of the top section and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Then make the entire bottom section of the hair come to the front, then stretch out the hair on the bow tie for making it more volume. Then have a little strip of the hair from the ponytail and drop it into the middle of the bow tie design. Have a ponytail and split the tail into 2 equal parts and twist it across each other and making it into a thicker braid. Then continue doing the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band. Then roll the braid to a clockwise direction and make it as a bun and hide the excess tape underneath the bun. Then have it secure by dropping a big black hairpin underneath it. Grab your entire top section of the hair and tie with the rubber band, making a lovely ponytail, and to decorate it even more further, drop in your favorite hair clutcher. Thank you everyone for watching this video.